Another day, another birding. I put a location for red-footed falcons, and theoretically I should be able to find an LEO, aka long-eared owl, at the same place. So I need to go through a... I'm not even sure if it's a village or if it's been promoted to a city level, or it may be a different kind of location that we have. Wow, never seen swallow so low. Bloody hell, just above the road. Anyway, so I need to walk through this village place location thing, and what do I find? Ah, a stork nest. So wonderful. And the residents are at home, so should be able to get some shots. White stork, and he's got 2 chicks. Such beautiful creatures. Such a shame they've been persecuted to extinction in the UK. They're absolutely harmless. So beautiful. Amazing. Just amazing. So happy to have seen one. I'm not 100% sure where I need to get to, but potentially those are the trees, or maybe the trees on the other side that I'm looking for. Well, I'll just keep walking, something will happen. So this is definitely the place for the red-footed falcons. I've already seen a few. And there are also some kestrels hanging about. Now the one thing I would love to find is the long-eared owl, which supposedly roosts somewhere around here as well. So I'm walking as far as I can. To be honest, I'm not sure which one is private land and which one is public, but I believe if it's not particularly fenced off, then it's not going to be private. So this is one extremely annoying thing here. There are these small flies that keep flying about and land on you, and they are just pestering you. On my arms, on my legs, absolutely everywhere. So mad annoying. Well, apart from not finding the long-eared owl, it was pretty productive. I've seen the red-footed falcons, there are loads of kestrels, Seen about a couple of collared doves, I've seen 3 hoopers, and I've seen a little owl. And there are some rabbits hanging around as well. All in all, it wasn't too bad, but I'm a bit unconvinced about the red-footed falcon shots because of the distance I had to take the shots from and the heat and the haze. I'm just really hoping that I get something usable. Well, I'll find it out when I do the post-processing. Now I'm gonna be slowly walking back to the bus stop. Problem is, now it's only about 11 o'clock, a few minutes past, and the bus is not coming until 1. So the walk back to the bus stop is about half an hour at normal speed. So I'm trying to walk a little bit slower, maybe also see something on the way, stop for a few minutes, get a few shots. So that's gonna be for today.